Hi everyone, welcome back to Adifamisha, and today I'm going to show you my house tour in Minecraft. So yeah, basically what it looks like. I just recently remembered that I had this, and yeah, here's a tour. So there are 2 horses and a cat right there. This is based off my cousin's lost cat named Charlie. And that is Sky the rabbit. I have her in real life, but she's currently sick, and I just realized that her nose has fallen off. I'm very sorry for you to hear that. I can remember the name was Toast. I had to change the name to Toast because if you change a rabbit's name to Toast, it'll turn to this pattern. And yeah, here's a crafting table, a furnace, and a fridge because Minecraft does not have fridges. They don't have any furniture. You can request things for me to add, so yeah. This is the upstairs, which is a bed and some flowers to make some decoration on it. And that is why there are these little seeds falling down. They are from the top floor, and I have no idea why a block is missing. So, here's a random story. Back then, I used to play this, knockoff Minecraft game called Mini World. And if it was too dark, monsters will spawn. Well, instead of a regular creeper, there would be random stuff. So it was strange. Oh yeah, I forgot to say it. There's a pool, and that's the rabbit house. Oh god. This is the rabbit house where I have no idea why I made this back then. Just a bunch of little rabbits. And also, to whoever knows, what is this thing? It looks like a wing or something. For me, it looks more like a steak. That's what I said when I first played Minecraft. So yeah, this is basically a tour, and I gotta say, I put a mushroom that doesn't look as good because I just made it myself. And if there's a seed for a mushroom, if it's not real, well, I should have just used that. I just made it so just in case if it rains, Charlie the cat will not get any rain on it. Wait, no. Yeah, it will get rain, but not a bit, so let me just move it. Move. Come on. It's better just stay on the path. Right? And that's basically a full tour. I think I broke. Yeah, that'll be fine. I'll fix that later. And yeah, that's basically a full tour. And thanks for watching. Bye. I'll make a new house soon. And I'll update you when I make one. Bye bye.